Welcome, in front of me is an LG K41s, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me, I'm gonna just capture this home screen right here with these several apps here. So once you have it open, what you need to do is hold power key and volume down, put two these keys at the same time, get this animation, and that's about it. Now here we have edit, share, and delete option. And you can click on either one of them, and if you choose to do nothing, it just disappears, and then image can be found in your photo gallery. So let's just close this, and you can see it right here, screenshots, and there's the screenshot that I have taken. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.